Yeah, guys, welcome. This is EasyLearn online tutorial platform. So a quick one. This is a question. This is question 24 of the physics WAC 2016 past question, and you have a question here on wave. The question says the distance between two successive troughs of a wave is 0.4 meter. If the frequency of the source is 825 hertz, you're asked to calculate the speed of the wave. Right? We have three fundamental properties of a wave, and those are the speed represented by v. The speed is also the velocity. The wavelength, we represent it with lambda, and the frequency. So this is the speed or velocity. This is the wavelength, and of course this is the frequency. Now there is an equation that represents the relationship between these three variables, and the equation is this: v equals f lambda. That means the speed or the velocity of a wave equals the frequency times the wavelength. Okay, now let's come back to this question. Now what is the wavelength of a wave? The wavelength is the distance between two successive troughs or two successive crests. Alright, so in this question we are told that the distance between two successive troughs of a wave is 0.4. That means the wavelength, you see, they didn't tell you that is the wavelength directly, but you should know that the distance between two successive troughs or two successive crests of a wave is definitely the wavelength. So the wavelength represented by lambda is 0.4 meter. Also the frequency is 825 hertz. Now you are asked for the speed. Just come back to your formula, recall this, and the question is solved. So v equals 825 times 0.4 is equals to 330. The unit for speed is equals to meter per second. So that makes option B the right answer. Watch out for our class on wave motion. They will explicitly explain the concept of wave motion. Thank you very much for watching.